Hello YouTube! Welcome to the episode 2 of customizing this amazing Can-Am Spyder RT20 Plus. I'm Martin from MartinTheVlogger.com, the largest blog and vlog about Can-Am on-road vehicles in the world, period. What you will find out today is we will finish this Galaxi wrap and you will be able to see and actually comment if you like the wrap and how it all plays together. We will go through all of the upgrades. We will go from the front to the back because this bike came already customized, of course, by me before. And I will tell you what this bike already has and maybe you can find some inspiration. And in case you haven't seen actually episode 1, it's popping out, I guess, right over here. So you can watch that episode as well. Last not least, finally we have new fender lights, new fender turn light signals. They are sequential, they are modern 2023 product and we're gonna put them on. The only decision we need to make if to put smoked version or clear version. Now guys, enough of this, let's get started. The whole wrap, it's almost over, and of course at the end of the video we'll take it out and you will see everything all together, how it plays on a daylight. Now there is only one last thing I really don't like, and it's this part. On our templates we don't simply cover it, neither on F3s, neither on RTs. However, RT template, when you order a wrap on our shop, it comes with two pieces like this actually. And these pieces, they are for a lid when you remove the top case. I know Big Mike will never do that. He even don't have a lid. What for? So, because extra info, only C2 Sky comes automatically with the lid. Now, what we will do, of course, we will create a cover for this area or wrap or sticker. We have one attempt only, and we will do it, of course, for both sides. So, let's do it. now the rabbit's finally over. And before I will tell you everything about upgrades that I believe every RT should have. Most of the upgrades that it's on this bike, every RT should have. I will tell you everything about that, but first we need to do one last thing on this bike. You know, there is one thing I really don't like what BRP is doing. There are many things I don't like, but many things I love. And you can see, or maybe not see, that I have had warning lights. And it's absolutely terrible. Ever since 2019, all of the fenders, they have moved turn light signals only to the fenders. You are not visible when you're trying to make a turn through the, you know, on the intersection or wherever, or you're going out from the garage like I have here. Nobody can see you turning, right? You would like to go somewhere. So we will put a Slayer lights. They will work on every single bike. It doesn't matter if it's Ryker, Spyder F3 or RT, elder models or new models, 2020. But they need to be 2019 plus, so the new version of fenders. And we have two options. We have smoked and we have orange or clear. I think you call it amber. But the thing is, we will, if it would be my bike, it cannot be because of the wrap. Galaxi wrap is a little bit too girlish for me. But if it would be me, I would put smoked. But because of the security for Lady Rider, for Miriam, for Big Mike's fiance, we will put clear version of modern running turn light signals. Amazing. So the studio is empty and dirty. Sunglasses are on. That means we are going out to see the wrap on the daylight. Have your hands and fingers ready and write into comments what you think about the wrap. And I'm going to tell you everything about upgrades. You know that this is F3S. You can see it on many videos, and little teaser for you. We'll be doing a lot of videos, and also you will see same video like this about this RT. You will see the same video about the F3S Special Series. It's our bike for tour and rental agency. That's my coffee and that's my lunch. Love coffee, like at least 8 coffees a day. Now, one more teaser. Let me open the door first. Good. One more teaser. Where she is. There she is. Good. One more teaser. What we will be working on is actually this. So as well, you will see a lot of videos about this C2 Sky 2023, like something like 6K that we will throw in. It's for customer. Many parts that I will install, I haven't installed before on the video, so it's gonna be cool. Epic series, I hope so. Now, finally getting there. What you think? To be honest with you, I'm super curious to see it on the video when I will be editing it, because in live it looks amazing. I think it's plenty. So, of course, this wrap you can find on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. It's going to be available there. It's our unique wrap, that you can buy for your RT. Now, upgrades. What sort of this bike it's not super heavy loaded. Big Mike likes to load the bikes that he has, but this one was made for. He always wanted to have it as his cruiser only. He didn't want to spend a lot of money. Needed improvements towards handling, tiny bit of performance, but like really like useful in terms of all of the upgrades are useful. I don't know, just normal upgrades. So what we have done, if I go from the front to the back, you will see a lot more of these tough skin products. We have them on the shop. Now it's not very fortunate that there's a carbon there because of this wrap, but we will not remove it. Before that it was a different situation. He has a radiator protectors. The thing is, I always say protect your radiators somehow, because they are really open and tiny debris are damaging the radiator. Over some time you will simply notice less cooling down of your bike. So why to do it? So invest and protect your value. Of course, signature lights, wait for it, because we're gonna have something new on the shop, but he went for these without turn light signals, and we have also these on the shop as well. He didn't went with a OEX light, which I think is a mistake, because it gives extra visibility, and if you are talking about protecting his fiance, I still think he should go with that. But we did the light installations before. He didn't want to have those. Front, I don't think he made anything in there. Of course, Big Mike, it's being Big Mike. Wilbur shocks. Now, what we are able to do, a lot of people are bottoming with their RTs. Now with Wilburs, what we are able to do, we can go 1 centimeter, like longer shocks. They will work amazing, and we have them on the shop, MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, of course, and they are set up for a Big Mike, so we had to do a little adjustments for his fiance, but yeah. Heavy duty Sway Bar Pro with links. I'm not selling on the links. I've been discussing this many times. Buying just links is a bullshit. It's a placebo, and like really honest shops should not even sell it. It's a scam. It's a scam. Scam is a good word. And we have a heavy duty Pro Sway Bar there, the thickest and the largest. Watch my ride and comment in January. There is one email from one owner. He didn't have to send it to me, and you will hear what is the difference between our sway bar to any other sway bar on the market. Honest email from the customer that he wasn't being asked to do it. Of course, the most significant thing here is the upgrade, but we have the floorball lights, and we're gonna have also the passenger lights, but not on this bike, but you will see it a little bit later. Inside there is a Can-Am filter, not important. He didn't like the foam grips, even he has a big hands, and also not important. We have the handlebar riser. As you know, we've been doing the installation in this series. More tough skin products. Again, right now, maybe what I would do, I would put a blue version that we have, but yeah, at the time it was okay. It's still okay. If I will do this, let me see if I can do it with my like this. Good. Upgraded seat choke. We did it in these installations or in these videos. Backrest, the OEM. No need for armrests. Never was the thing. Flag poles. I will do a new installation video with absolutely terrible. Like I have no idea. Top case rack. He has all the inner backs possible. At the back, of course, our This is not legal in Europe because it's stupid. Not the light, the being it illegal, but we have running light and brake light at the back. Here, of course, the organizer, very useful thing. And again, do you see this? Even with the top case rack, it stays up there. It's because there is of course, the new shock for the top case. We've been doing this in these installations, and you have seen this, right? So absolutely amazing turn light, and also a daylight light, whatever. Good. Is there anything else? Oh yeah, the belt tensioner. It's inside in order to protect the belt and prolong the life. And the gear shifters are a little bit, the shifting of the gears is a little bit smoother. And yeah, the vibrations, you remove the vibrations a little at that speed, around 90 to 120 kilometers an hour. And these things, China, yeah, I don't know why he did it, but yeah. Mirror locks, almost forgot, we have fixed it here. And he has the, of course, the pedal box. This is it from today's episode. The bike is ready. It will be waiting here for Mimka, for Miriam to join us at 2024 ridings. I know that she's coming to Tuscany with us. She will go for opening of the season and close of the season down here. Also, Can-Am Riders Club in Czech Republic. She will join us, and I will share with you more in upcoming videos. It's gonna be impressive. In case you would like to buy any of the parts that you have seen in today's video, MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, your #1 place in the world for Can-Am Spyder and Riker parts. And in case, guys, you would like to get early access to my videos, bonus videos that nobody else can see, only the members of Martin the Vlogger YouTube channel. In case you would like to have special discounts on the products that I'm always making new videos every week, and every new product will be discounted for members on the YouTube channel, click join and choose your member status. Everyone from active riders and above will always receive special discounts, so something extra in return for your loyalty and supporting of my channel. Now guys, remember, customize your bike or not, it's up to you, but always have fun.